Hello everyone, it's Olivia. Today in this video, you will learn how to draw and painting beautiful cat. Let's draw and paint them together. I love drawing and painting cats. Please try to draw with me. Now, I'm drawing the body and legs of the cat. Cat is watching the drawing. I love watching cats. Cats are very funny animals. And I'm drawing her tail. It looks so beautiful. It's painting time. Let's start with the pink. Do you love cats? Let's fill the yellow color.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
And orange color.
Around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the
This cat is so colorful, isn't it?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun.
Glitter time.
So we
Pink glitter. Yellow glitter. Orange glitter. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you on next video.